Hi, welcome back to Mystic Chemistry. This is Equilibrium and Ice Tables Lesson D. Again, remember you can use ice or rice. Alright, so let's look at this problem. Find KEQ for the chemical equation AB plus C2D yields A2D plus 2CB. Alright, first of all, you realize that this is not a real, true chemical equation. This is a hypothetical equation. So we're using A to represent some element, B to represent some element, etc., etc., etc. First thing you need to do is make sure that that chemical equation, whether it's real or not, needs to be perfectly balanced. So now we're going to need to write that equation out. And so we're going to do it here. 2AB gas plus C2D solid has a reversible reaction, which will give me A2D gas plus 2CB solid. Okay. Now we need to set up our ice table. Okay, so I'm going to do R, I, C, and E because I like doing it that way. You might want to just use ice, but I like to use rice. So we have an AB column, we have a CD column, we have an A2D column, and we have a CB column. Okay, so we have this set up like this. Okay, great. So remember, this is reaction. So in the reaction, we have 2AB, we have C2D, A2D, and CB. Now we need to put the states in there. That's gas, that's solid, and that's also gas. So our initial concentrations are for AB and A2D. A2D is 0.30 molarity. So we're going to go 0.30 molarity, and then we don't have to put that M in there. And then for A2D, is 0.30 also. Wait a minute, what's the initial concentration for C2 and D and A2 and CB? One will tell you. Look at this. CB is solid. C2D2 is solid. It doesn't have an initial concentration. Matter of fact, it can't have a concentration because it can't be dissolved. All right, can't use that. So we just simply X those out. All right, so now let's look at our change. All right, when we go through the change, AB is going to have a 0.2 change. And A2D2 is going to have a minus 0.10 change. Let's see here. Oh, that's, I don't know what that, well, think about that for a second. And of course, so we're going to go from 30 to 20 to give me 50. Okay. And then this is going to be 30 minus 10, which is going to give me 20. And of course, these are all x's. All right, now remember, it's KEQ is products over reactants. So in this case, we only have one product that's a gas. The other product is not, can't be used. So we go KEQ equals A2D over our reactant, which is going to be AB. Now, notice that there's a 2 in front of this AB. That means we need to put a 2 up here. So now all we're going to do is put in our values. And when we do all this with the calculator, KEQ is going to equal 80. Oops, not 80, but 0.80. 0.80. So let's make that a little bit better. All right. So you guys, you have a snarly day, and we'll see you back here at Moose and Chemistry. You guys be awesome, by the way.